So I'm Alex Lee. This is my alarm project. My goal is to make LED lights when my hands are closed, it lights up. And also, when my hands are closed, my buzzer buzz. My design is to use different LED colors, and also when I put my hands in different distance, these LEDs will light up differently. I used LEDs, wires, Raspberry Pi, and buzzer, keyboard, and mouse. I used the code break. Also, I used if statement. I test a lot of times because sometimes the buzzer won't work and the LEDs. Sometimes I didn't see my code, so I gotta type it again. Demo. So it's already running here. So if you put your hands like here, there's like these LEDs lighting up. If you put it closer, this go off, only the white one is on. If you put it close, the buzzer will go on. And if you want to close it, there's a button here that if you push, there it is. Okay, so this is basically my project, the alarm system, Fernando.
Okay, does anyone have any questions?
How is that wiring wrong? Because it comes off when I press it. And also Fernando didn't push it in. Okay, you. How long did it take you to build it? And then how long? Like 3 days. Or 4.
Okay, let's go on. Let's give him a round of applause.